Hi, my name is Julius. I'm a member of this clubhouse. I've been here for 5 years and I'm here to do a tour. We're in the small community meeting room. We have a table and some nice chairs for small meetings. This is our fitness room. Only thing that are allowed to do in here is fitness-filled activities. Okay, this is our large function room. We use it for any functions over 10 people, so. This is our dining room and cooking room. Thank you for coming to our clubhouse. This is everything. I hope you have enjoyed your visit.